Abusia, Mr. Bernard and she waits Yako at the Brona Furniture, my Wuntumi, or your order upon some minds, or also a Ashanti Bidima chairman, Edema MPP. Now make us say a sentence or 20 years imprisonment. And now illegal mining will be empty. Abusia chairman Wuntumi case no I am very complicated. My Yenimia Ebaya on the 5th of August 2026, Chairman Wuntumi lawyers actual letter at the High Court is seeking for bail pending appeal against his 20 years imprisonment. Sir Oyare Woho, and now so also okay number closes some deal be a son say a coin na ye fast journey no na I too sad and I say a too impromptu. And anything ABR Opesa Ombrabonti abafo ye ni masisia no mayembo letter ni mu na yenhwe ni letter no eka. Application for bail pending appeal pursuant to section 96 of Act 30 and section 33 of Act 459. Take notice that the Honorable Court will be moved from counsel for and on behalf of the first applicant, herein praying the court for an order that the applicant who is currently incarcerated upon the ground medium security prisons be admitted to bail pending appeal upon the grounds stated in the accompanying affidavit and for the further order as Honorable Court may deem meet. Court to be moved on Wednesday, the 19th day of August 2026 at 9 o'clock in the forenoon or so soon thereafter, as counsel for the first and third appellant may be heard. Now, this letter was written on the 5th day of August 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I think we should pray for Chairman Wuntumi so that the appeal court will accept this appeal letter or the bail letter so that Wuntumi can get a bail. Abusia boy any letter either Accra High Court na asam no aye MPP for yaw pa isane say ndru akom ye demonstration no the minority leader Afenyo Markins ekra edi nkomo efa ho. Abusia yentie numrasisia.
Chairman Wuntumi has paid the ultimate price. Na me wajidi won Yankopon di mu say. Me wajidi won Yankopon di mu say. NDC Boni biara ewo mutimu no Onyankopo oyene bia 2028 nkunimdi baya ya dia na wota baya nyina meka bunya asinya mi shey nyina obian ko fi asumdi mu. God bless all of you. God bless the New Patriotic Party. Power Kohoru me say me can power me I say power me say power me yeah power me baba yeah power me baba Chief Justice. Semani India who crack. Nyame ya atumwa 2028. Bawumi ababa power. No go see after the Juma Mrs. Power. Oma paying also in copio. Omo ni candidate. Yen ya wa Dr. Bawumia. Intino sabu pio. Omo pio. Dr. Bawumia. For you go there. For you go I'm
ɛna makenkan na letter we ɛba abɔnten no ɛna nipa bebree ɛkyerɛ ɔmo adwene ɛwɔ ho sɛ nanka 20 years imprisonment for illegal mining deɛ ase esakra esane yɛhwɛ nsuo a asɛe yɛhwɛ nkɔfa ewuwu yɛhwɛ nsase a asɛe deɛ nanka 20 years imprisonment ne deɛ esa ebinom nso ɛkyerɛ sɛ 20 years imprisonment no ɛnyɛ kyɛ ma Wuntumi ankasa na ɛkɔyɛ illegal mining no nanka if you be fair enough deɛ nipa na yɛtumi ɛkyɛ in the act no ɔno nso ɛwɔ sɛ mmara no ɛne no ndi sorry wei no ɛbɛwa yie paa nti biribiara ɛbɛba no sɛ court ɛde reply ba na sɛ biribiara ɛfa issue wei ho no yɛde ba abɛsom comment section hɔ ɛyɛ wɔ deɛ twɛ wadwe ɛwɔ ho na mɛhyɛ bebree sɛ ɔbɛ subscribe to yɛn page no ɔbɛ like na ɔbɛ share ɛde ama yɛn